so cool. Here's our reindeer. Hello, reindeer.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show! Phoebe!
Yes, Fizzy, what is it?
It's time for a treasure hunt!
Oh, I love treasure hunts.
See if you can find everything I've hidden around the Christmas dinosaurs!
Okay, Fizzy, this is going to be fun. Okay, let's see what I can find right over here. Here, look, I found something. It looks like a little deer. And I think I saw something else over here. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's down here. Ah! How am I going to get that? Let me try to get real close. Okay. I think I can get it. I got it. Look, it has a snowflake on it. Okay, let me see over here. Hello, Mr. Dinosaur. Well, hello to you. You have a couple of little squishies around your toes, so I'm just gonna get those, okay? Excuse me. I got it. It's Santa. Ooh, I see 1, 2, 3 little squishies over here. Excuse me, dinosaurs, but I'm going to have to grab these. First, the snowflake. I got it. I got the snowflake, a stocking, and a Santa hat. Fizzy, I found everything.
Oh, almost everything!
Fizzy, what is he saying? I don't speak dinosaur.
Oh, he said there's one more thing for you to find. Look very closely for it. Okay, I will.
I don't see anything over here. Maybe it's over here. I see it back there. It looks like Christmas Shrinky Dinks.
That's right, Phoebe. They are Christmas Shrinky Dinks.
Well, are we going to color them in and shrink them?
We are! And we're going to make Christmas squishies.
Hooray! Let's get started.
Miss Hands!
Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. And look at these Shrinky Dinks. We have a Christmas tree, a present, a teddy bear, a star ornament, and a reindeer. And we have a squishy little Santa, a squishy snowflake, a squishy stocking, squishy reindeer, a squishy snowflake, and a squishy Santa hat. Let's first color these in, but I have no colored pencils.
Don't worry, Miss Hands. A little fizzy magic will do the trick. Fizzy, whizzy, bo-bizzy, ba!
Wow, Fizzy! Look at these beautiful colored pencils. When coloring Shrinky Dinks, always color the side that's a little bit rough. See how this side is super shiny and smooth? Let's first color in our reindeer. I'm first coloring in the body. And now I'm coloring in the face. What color should the nose be?
Ha! Red, of course! Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer!
That's right, Phoebe. We'll make this nose red. We'll color in the little feet. On reindeer, their feet are called hooves. And now we'll color in the antlers. Let's color in this collar. And the jingle bells on the collar.
Rudolph looks so good! Let's color in the rest, starting with the star.
Okay, Fizzy, let's color in the star. I'm going to add a little orange to the center. Now let's color in this teddy bear. Let's make this teddy bear pink. With a purple tummy. hands and feet. And a red Santa hat. Time to color in the present. Let's make it red. With a blue bow.
His hands!
Yes, Fizzy? What's that, Fizzy?
I think you'll be needing this. There were no green colored pencils in that set of colored pencils.
Wow, thanks, Fizzy.
You're welcome.
Fizzy's right. There are no green colored pencils in here. So I'm so thankful that he gave me a green colored pencil for our green Christmas tree. Let's put some blue on this tree. A few red ornaments. We'll make this red. We'll add some purple. We'll add orange. A little pink. And a yellow star. Time to color in the trunk. We're all done. Now I just need to cut these out and put them in the oven and watch what happens when they're in the oven. First they go in the oven and look, they're shrinking, shrinking, shrinking. Time to pull them out of the oven now. And ta-da! We have our little Christmas Shrinky Dinks.
Oh, I have an idea!
What is it, Phoebe?
Let's put them inside of our squishies!
Great idea, Phoebe. Let's use our Doctor Squish squishy maker to make these squishies. I'll put this right on here like this. Close this up, make it nice and tight. I'll put my squishy skin right in here, wrap it around the top, and now I can pump the air out. I'm going to add a scoop of the special powder that came with this squishy maker. Let's make this our reindeer squishy. In goes our reindeer. And our reindeer Shrinky Dink. Let's add the little teddy bear. And let's add some pink glitter stars. Now we add some water. And let's close up this squishy. Whoa, it already looks so cool. I need to give this a little twist. And put my clamp on. And look, we have our reindeer squishy. And the more I squeeze it, the more I mix up that powder, and it becomes more of a gel inside. Oh, that's so cool. Here's the powder right here. I'm gonna squish, squish, squish. And look, we can see all that glitter. And our reindeer in there. That is so cool. Here's our reindeer. Hello, reindeer.
Oh, that's hands. That was so much fun. Let's make another one. Let's make a Santa squishy.
Okay, Phoebe.
Hooray!
Okay, I just need to pump the air out. We'll add our powder. And let's add a Santa hat. Santa Claus. A stocking. And a present. Let's also make it super colorful and add these. Let's add a whole bunch. Time to add the water. And let's go ahead and get this off the squishy maker. Wow, look inside. It looks so awesome. But I need to twist this and clamp it together. Look how cool it looks. And let me go ahead and squish, squish, squish this squishy. Hey, I see Santa in there. Hi, Santa. I also see one of my dog's hairs. Let's get that off of there. Squish, 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 squish. Oh, it's so much fun. I love it. What do you think, Phoebe?
Oh, I love it, I love it. It's so colorful. And so squishy.
It is colorful and very squishy.
Now it's time to make a snowflake squishy.
I'm super excited about this squishy because we're going to do something a little different. Let's go ahead and put our snowflakes in there. There's one. There's two. Let's put a Christmas tree in there. And how about this star? And now I'm going to add clear slime. Look how clear that is. Put that in there. We'll add a little green glitter in here. And let's add these beautiful sequin in there. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This is going to be very magical. A little more slime in there. And a little more. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm so excited. Okay, look at everything in there. And ta-da! We have our super beautiful snowflake squishy. Look inside at all the beautiful colors and the snowflakes. Hey, there's our Christmas tree in there too. Oh, it looks so cool. I love it.
Fizzy, that was so much fun going on a squishy treasure hunt.
And making the squishies. Look, they turned out to be all so beautiful.
We hope you enjoyed watching.
And we hope you have a fizzy,